I'd like to know, actually.
But I can get you together with them.
Yeah, I do actually.
Lindsay,
Take
tell
on
them
behalf.
Then feel free. 0207 224 2000.
I reserve the right to remind you that we're now living in the 21st century, and most families will have two people earning, and most families will have two people shouldering childcare duties, shouldering domestic duties, and most families will... So riveted was I, and indeed were you, judging by the texts and emails and tweets coming into the programme, by the conversation we had.
Needed Mummy for a few more months, so I thought I would do everything with...